Hello children, welcome to my channel. Today we will study about the nature of the roots. That is, a quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c has two distinct roots. If b square minus 4ac is greater than 0, the roots are distinct and real. If b square minus 4ac is equal to 0, then roots are real and equal. If b square minus 4ac is less than 0, no real roots. We'll solve some of the sums from the exercise 4.4. That is first one is second. Find the nature of the roots of the following quadratic equation. That is 3x square minus 4 root 3x plus 4 is equal to 0. Here this a is here. A is equal to coefficient of x square, that is 3, and b is the coefficient of x, that is minus 4 root 3, and c is the here constant, that is 4. What is the discriminant here? D is equal to d square minus 4ac. Here what is b here? B is here minus 4 root 3 whole square. Minus 4 into a is 3 and c is also 4. Minus 4 root 3 minus 4 root 3 whole square means that is equal to minus 4 root 3 into minus 4 root 3. Here minus will become plus. 4 into 4, that is 16. Root 3 will become root 9, that is equal to plus 16 into square root of 9 is 3. Then it will become 48. 16 3s are 48, that is equal to 48 minus 4 into 4, that is 16. 16 into 3 is again 48. That is equal to 0. Here discriminant D that is equal to b square minus 4ac is equal to 0 here. Therefore roots are real and equal. Now we will find the roots of the quadratic equation. 3x square minus 4x minus 4 root 3x plus 4. Here d already is equal to 0. That what is the equation here? 3x square minus 4 root 3x plus 4 is equal to 0. Here already d is 0 we got. Therefore we will use that is quadratic formula, minus b plus or minus under the root b square minus 4ac upon 2a. Here we'll do in the next page. That is x is equal to minus b plus or minus under the root b square minus 4ac upon 2a. Can write it as x is equal to minus b plus or minus, that is b square minus 4ac is d upon 2a, that is equal to minus b. Minus b is here, b is here minus 4 root 3 minus 4 root 3 plus or minus d is 0 here upon 2 into a is here 3, that is equal to minus it will become plus. Therefore 4 root 3, then square root of 0 is 0 only, don't consider that. Therefore the 2 into 3 6. What we got here? 4 root 3 upon 6. You can cancel here. 2 2s are 2 3s are. What you will get here? 2 root 3 upon 3. This 3 can be written as root 3 into root 3. Therefore, 2 root 3 can be written as root 3 into root 3. Root 3 will cancel here. 2 root 3. Therefore, equation, the roots are 2 upon root 3 and 2 upon root 3. We'll move to the next sum. That is 2x square minus 6x plus 3. Here a is coefficient of x square, that is 2. B is the coefficient of x, that is equal to minus 6, and C is the coefficient, that is constant 3. What is the discriminant here? B square minus 4ac. B square is minus 6 whole square minus 4 into a is here 2 and c is here 3. That is equal to minus 6 whole square is 6 square, 6 6 are 36, minus 4 into 2 8, 8 3s are 24. That is equal to 36 minus 24, that is equal to 12. Therefore, discriminant, that is a discriminant D is equal to B square minus 4ac is greater than 0. Therefore, roots are real and distinct. Then we will find the roots of the equation, that is 2x square minus 6x plus 3. A is equal to 2 here, coefficient of x square. B is coefficient of x, that is minus 6. C is constant, that is 3. What is the quadratic formula? Quadratic formula x is equal to minus b plus or minus under the root b square minus 4ac upon 2a. We'll move to the next. We'll do it in the next page. That is x is equal to minus b plus or minus under the root b square minus 4ac upon 2a. That is equal to minus b, that is b is minus 6 minus 6 plus or minus b square minus 4 is b upon 2 into a. A is here 2. That is equal to 6 minus it will become plus 6 plus or minus, what is the discriminant we got here? B square minus 4ac, that is 12 under the root 12 upon 4. That is equal to 6 plus or minus root 12 can be written as 4 into 3. What are the factors of 12 here? 4 into 3 upon 4. That is equal to 6 plus or minus square root of 4 is 2 root 3 upon 4. Again here in these two, the 2 you can take it as common, 2 outside, 3 plus or minus root 3 upon 4. That is equal to 2 1s are 2 2s are. Then it will become as 3 plus or minus root 3 upon 2. The roots are, two roots are, therefore the roots are 3 plus root 3 upon 2 one term and 3 minus root 3 upon 2 another term. Let us move to the next sum, that is Find the values of k of the following quadratic equations so that they have equal roots. What is the condition for the equal roots? The discriminant must be equal to 0. That is b square minus 4ac must be equal to 0. Then a is the coefficient of x square, that is 2, and b is the coefficient of x, that is equal to k, and c is constant, that is 3. Here d is equal to, that is b square minus 4ac is equal to 0. They have given. Therefore, what is b here? K square minus 4 into a is 2 and c is 3 is equal to 0. K square minus 4 2s are 8, 8 3s are 24 is equal to 0. K square is equal to 24. Transfer this minus 24 to this side. It will become plus 24. Therefore, k is equal to plus or minus under the root 24. 24 has a factors, that is, it can be written as 4 6 are 24. Therefore, k is equal to, you can write it as 4 into 6. Therefore, k is equal to plus or minus 2 root 6. K value is, therefore, k value is root 2 6. We will move to the next, that is one more sum, that is kx in the bracket x minus 2 plus 6 is equal to 0. First you simplify this. Kx into x is kx square. Kx into minus 2 plus into minus minus 2kx plus 6 is equal to 0. Here that already they have given that d discriminant b square minus 4ac is equal to 0. Here a is coefficient of x square, that is k, b is the coefficient of x, that is 2k minus 2k, then c is the coefficient, that is constant, that is 6. Therefore, b square is minus 2k whole square minus 4 into a is k and c is 6 is equal to 0. 2k whole square is, 2k means 2 into 2 4, 4k square, it will become positive, minus 2k whole square, that is minus 2k into minus 2k, that is minus into minus plus 4k square. 4 6 are 24, 24k is equal to 0. You can take it common as 4 is common in both sides and k is also common. Take 4k outside, what will remain? K. Then here k already you took, 4 6 are 24 is equal to 0. Here 4k is also equal to 0 and k minus 6 is also equal to 0. Therefore, k is equal to 0 upon 4 and k is also equal to 6. That is, therefore, k is equal to 0 and k is also equal to 6. Thank you, children.